everybody, I'm Vatsala here with Minnie.
And today we are in Mr. Guru Prakash 3 BHK apartment which is in Shobha City.
We are excited to talk more about Shobha City, guys. Let me take you around. So we are in the foyer area, guys. The minute you look at this foyer area, you can see two tall cabinets. In between there is a sitting space. The minute you see the shoe rack, what you can see is the symmetry. The symmetry in terms of the tall cabinets are on either side of the sitting space. That means to say two persons can comfortably sit, as well as there is ample amount of storage for the shoes. And also there are a couple of drawers, for example, if in case if you want to drop your keys whenever you're going out, and then not forget to wear your watch. Yes, everything. So the designer has thought so well that everything is accommodated in the available space. So guys, if you see the countertop here, you can also place a couple of artifacts, and in this entire house we have worked out with only two color themes, that is white and brown. Majorly brown has got a very important role to play here because the client was very particular about, I want to go along with wood and I want it to be filled with nature and all of it. So we have kind of suggested them to go with this PLPG plus color, and this is also has got the soot finish so that there is no texture which is like glossy or anything. It absorbs the light and hence it has got this subtle color look. And on this wall we have painted with the dark brown color, and yes, we have also placed an Ganesha idol, and then I think it's looking beautiful there. Let's move on to the living room, guys. We are in the living room now, guys. In the living room you can see very subtle colors. Again, as I mentioned you in the foyer, we have played only with the two colors, that is brown being a major color and then white being the next color. So what you see in the TV unit here is you can see a huge storage with the brown color laminate and the wall paneling, which is having three depths in it. The first layer which is having a 2 inches depth, and the third layer which is having the 4 inches, and the third layer which is again having 2.5 inches. So that itself is giving you a different feeling in the TV unit that it is embossed. And towards my left hand side, what you can see is a thick dark brown curtain which is matching with the decor of the furniture, and the thin light shade which is again very light brown, or I can say beige color in it. And we have a 3 recliner sofa seater, and then again 2 recliner. If you see from this angle to that angle, this living room was so spacious. That means to say the living and the dining was together. So we decided that we'll have 2 sofas here. So sofa itself will act as a divider. So Mr. Guru Prakash was very particular right from the beginning, guys, that he do not wanted any kind of jars or too many colors in his house. So, and also he was very particular about having the furnitures very sleek and straight, and not having too much of all the structures and then CNC and all of it. So we kind of proposed him a very sleek, full length crockery cabinet with full storage, and also he wanted to keep his storage almost close so that he do not wanted any see-through to be there. The way we have designed the false ceiling is like we have not divided it into like dining and then living room separately. We have taken it right from the dining area and up to the living room. It's like we have used the semi-curve and then the circle shape and also a parabola so well that it's just looking simple and beautiful, and we have used a very good chandelier right here. And I think yes, the chandelier and these little lamps, that itself is adding a beauty to the living room, guys. Let me explain you what we have done in the utility, guys. We have converted the utility into puja room in this house. Come on. Let me explain you how we have converted this utility into a puja room. What we have done is we have got this wooden framing, done here, and then given it a puja unit look by having this wooden door done with the CNC cutting for the bed. And the minute you open this door, guys, we have used this complete wall for the puja room because the client was very particular about having a very spacious puja room, and he wanted to spend most of his time in prayer and all of it. So this is what we have done for our dearest Guru Prakash. Let me explain you what we have done in the kitchen, guys. So we are in the kitchen, guys. You know, as usual, we have done an entrance paneling for the kitchen, and by providing the same combination light which we have provided in the ceiling, you can see here on either side of the paneling. And as soon as we entered this kitchen, you know, compared to the size of the house, it was very small, and we wanted the kitchen to look spacious, and hence we have used a lighter gray shade in the kitchen. This particular kitchen is having an L shape, and the way we have designed it is we have given cutlery, cup and saucer entirely here, and then couple of cabinets on the top, because we have a huge window here and we wanted to keep the window as it is for the cross ventilation. And right now, guys, we're standing on the 21st floor, so actually the view from the balcony is exciting, and we wanted, you know, the madam to have a very good view from the window whenever she is cooking, so we kind of reading the window. And if you see here, we have given two tandem boxes here, and then there is same cabinet below. Above we have given loft because the storage in the top cabinets was less, and hence we have proposed the clients to go along with an end-to-end loft. That's it about the kitchen, guys. Let's move on to the guest bedroom now. Yes, we are in the guest bedroom, guys. I hope the colors are not jazzier as well. Yes, as Guru Prakash always wanted, he wanted his room to have very subtle colors. Here we have used only changing texture as the jute texture, guys. If you watch closely to the texture of the laminate, you know, the minute you touch and feel, you know, you have that feel of the jute fiber. It's just like you are wearing a linen cloth on your body, and yes, that is the feel you get when you touch this wardrobe, guys. And the way we have highlighted this particular complete bedroom is by using this bronze handles, and also which is having a rustic copper thin lining on the handles. That's pretty much about the guest bedroom, guys. Yes, so guys, yes, I'm here with Sanju now. You know, most of the kids love these colors. Like, I want my Spider-Man in my bedroom, I want Barbie in my bedroom, and all of it. You know, first time in Bonito Designs, we have come across this kid, Sanju, who was very particular about, I do not want any color other than white. Let's hear from Sanju. Why is that you want white color, Sanju?
Because with the white color, you can add color.
Oh my god, that's a great answer, guys. You can look around this house, you know, everything is so subtle, you know, you don't feel like any minute when you get bored because of the colors. It's so pleasant, you know. The white color, the wardrobe is white color, the bedspread is white, the pillows are white, yes, and also the drapes are white. You want to talk more about your bedroom, Sanju? You can talk whatever you want to talk. And yes, there are a couple of toys which are colorful on his table. You want to talk about your toys? No? Okay, so that was about Sanju's bedroom, guys.
So guys, now we're in the master bedroom. Just like the son, even father likes white colors. So we have used only white colors in this room. Right from the wardrobe, coat, everything is white, and so this is an existing cot they had. And we have given a headboard for that, and we have designed side table for this with two drawers, and we have given a this is a whiteboard. His son Sanjay, he loves teaching. So any subject you ask him, he's ready to teach. And we have designed the study table over here. So this is a drawer and this is a flap down, and this is designed in a way that this can be converted into a TV unit in future. So when you convert it into a TV unit, you can just keep this open so that your set-top box and DVD can be accommodated inside this. We have given a wardrobe with end-to-end locks.
So guys, I'm here with Yashas today, and Yashas is the designer of Mr. Guru Prakash's house. Let us hear from Yashas what he has to say about this house. So Yashas, how was your overall experience designing this house?
Yes, designing, actually this is my first project in Shobha City, and
okay.
It was like a bit of challenge. Like there was, since it is Shobha City, there was so much of expectation in developing.
From the client side?
Yeah, from the client side.
Okay.
So yes, it was very nice, and client was very flexible. So which made a designer to come out with more of options, and yes, it has come out very nice.
So when I was explaining about this house, Yashas, I came across very subtle colors in the entire house. Why is it? Why subtle colors?
Yes, client was very much transparent about his character. So I tried bringing out the character in his house.
Okay.
So that is why we preferred white almost everywhere.
Okay, that's a great thing, guys. The minute I came into their house, like the client was so sweet enough to welcome us into the house and all of it. And Yashas, if there is one quick sentence you want to talk about this project, what that sentence would be?
Yes, as I told, client is very much flexible, and with that, like since we always follow theme, Bonito theme everywhere. So with the addition of the white, I've given with the shade of golden jute, and the kitchen we've used grey. So just one sentence is it is very much elegant and decent.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Ishas. Okay, guys, that was all about Ishas' opinion about this house.
So guys, now that you have enjoyed the wonderful interiors of this home, let's hear from the wonderful people who live here. So over to Mrs. Ashwini Guruprakash. So like, how was your whole journey of crafting the dream interiors with us at Bonito Designs?
Yes, so when we bought the Shobha City home, the next important thing was to get our interiors done. So we started searching. About 10 years back when we had done our prior home interiors, it was through a normal carpenter. What we were looking for a factory finish. So that was our first criteria.
Okay.
So as you know now, if we want anything, we go to Google. So when I went to Google, so first thing what came up, interiors in Bangalore, North Bangalore, so the Bonito Designs video came up. So I started searching, going through a lot of videos. I didn't know that at that point in time I'll be in the shoot. So maybe that's an irony. Yes, so it started there. Then I called up, I think Ramya was the person who was there, and she kind of coordinated well. We visited the north office of yours, and Yashas was there. So that's where our journey with Yashas started.
Okay.
So then it went about a month designing, I guess, because when Yashas came up with the design, he came up with a very rich, wonderful designs.
Okay.
But we told him we are not exotic people, we are very, very simple, very simple.
Your
So then
house
he had
speaks
to-
about it.
Yeah. So then he had to redo the designs. He quickly redesigned it, and we liked it. And first thing what he told us is, I think this is very important for all the customers. Take little more time and spend time and finalizing the design. So that's that's the very main stage. I think once you decide, and should not change ideally. I actually don't change much once I decide. Not only this, anything.
I think that is a message we should pass on to everybody. Because we can rub things in the plan, but once the materials are in place, it's really difficult to kind of
Exactly, yeah.
Which is your favorite place in the entire house, madam?
Actually, place where we are sitting.
Oh, the living room. I think Sanju is curious to tell his answer. Which is your favorite place, Sanju?
Board.
Board. Which board?
The board.
The board in the master
Yes.
bedroom? Okay. Why is it interesting for you?
I can teach people.
Which people?
My mom, my dad.
Oh,
So-
that's nice.
So how would you rate us on a scale of 1 to 10?
So 10 being the highest.
Highest.
So I would give about 9.
Oh, great.
If there is one learning that we can take from Mrs. Guru Prakash, what that would be for Bonito Designs?
So I think in terms of communication, we were very apt.
Okay.
We were getting messages. It can be made little more.
The automated kind.
So see, you know the current era. Like
Yeah.
everybody has to be kept informed. It happens in our daily professional life also. I know you kind of deal with a set of designers and the office people. Then you also have the carpenter. That set of
Yeah.
people. I know we understand. Even if they can be educated little more better. I think some bit of that. Not exactly anything pinpointing there.
Yeah.
I just thought we can be kept
Thank
little more
you very
better
much.
informed.
I think overall, I've got message from even HS. Even they have enjoyed, doing interiors with you because HS. I was having one-on-one with HS. He was like telling, if every client is like Mr. Guru Prakash, I think our journey in Bonito Designs will be much more smoother. So I think we loved doing your house interiors. Wish you all the best and happy stay at this home. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. We also love you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Vatsala and Vinny here signing off for today. I hope you all have enjoyed the way we have crafted this beautiful house for Mr. Guru Prakash.
Do like, comment and share our videos.
Don't forget to subscribe guys. Until our next video, keep waiting. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you.